Okay, I started MSN Recorder Max, and it generated this file, which I'm pasting at the top of my notepad, and that is segregated by a less than sign, the video file name, Control V to paste, and then at the end, a greater than sign. So I segregate it from the rest of my folder to indicate that this is a new start. I'm going to also start using the webcam for this window 11, recording a video, and then I'm going to demonstrate to you several things. The sweatband on my head here with the vanity phone number, and another one on my hand. So this, for example, is WizMoreBiz. The domain name is WizMore and the extension is Biz, and it has also a matching phone number, 949 6673 249. Okay, which I'm going to wear on my hand here just to create an ad. So if somebody misappropriates my video, they will be advertising my domain name on both my sweatband on my head and another sweatband on my arm. In addition to that, I'm going to demonstrate the concept of a halo hat. But before I continue, I want to also run Pissar Problem Step Recorder, start a new recording with it, and then move it down. So far I have 3 recording systems running concurrently, and I'm going to put on a hat, a fishing hat, preparing for my next fishing trip that has also the vanity phone number. So I'm going to put the hat on, and it has also a face mask for COVID and also for a bib if you are sloppy like I am and you eat and you drop things on your shirt. This will help. Now I will flip the hat so you can see that it has a ad on top, and then when I flip it, it creates a halo effect between my under brim above and the bib underneath with the vanity phone number and the domain name. At this point, I'm ready to deal with the problem at hand. I'm going to call ChatGPT and talk to ChatGPT. But before that, I have to deal with the topic of the discussion. So I've done it already, as you can see here, with Recruits Biz. So ChatGPT, Google sent me a message telling me that my account Recruits Biz Google Voice will expire in 30 days. So I made an outbound call so it won't expire. And then I'm also deleting the message because it's no longer relevant. And now I'm looking to search if I have other issues related to the same topic. So I'm searching will expire. And I want to put Google Voice in front of it. So expire. So Google Voice will expire. And here I have a message concerning that I'm going to take care of now. So first of all, I want to open it. I just want to make sure I can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to open it up. That was from September 12. And I'm going to copy the message to the clipboard. Place the cursor on it, select the copy option, then make it a bit smaller and try to reactivate it. Make an outbound call, paste it in my notes with Control V, make an outbound call so I comply with Google's voice requirement to activate it every 60 days, or every 90 days rather. So now I want to log into this account, Smart City, Dip Smart City, edit, copy, and then I'm going to go into the voice account and switch from the previous account to the current account that I need to deal with right now. So I go to the bottom and click add another account, and then scroll to the bottom again to add another account yet. Use another account, then paste the new account, or type the new account, Dip Smart City, next, and the password, and next. And now I want to save and skip. I want to deal strictly with the issue of Google Voice expiring in 30 days, then deal with everything else. While I'm at it, I want to check out if I have any spammies to delete, any voicemails that take a lot of space, that I need to delete, messages. Somebody wants to chat with me. Code. No message. What is this one about? Welcome to Spectrum Wi-Fi. Complimentary access code. Okay, just junk to be removed. So I hold the shift key and I mark all of them and delete them. Yes, delete. Then I want to go to the Gmail and see if I have messages here that are outdated and need to be deleted. So I want to mark all of them for deletion and delete all of them. And then navigate back to Google Voice to make an outbound call to ChatGPT. July 10 was the last call, and that was, now it is September, so July, August, September, every 2 months. I'm going to make another call and then check out the account.
Hi, I'm ChatGPT, an AI assistant. Just so you know, our conversation may be reviewed for safety. By continuing this call, you agree to OpenAI's terms and privacy policy. So, how can I help you today?
Let's talk about Dip Smart City.
Sure. Smart cities are fascinating. They're all about using technology and data to improve urban life, making cities more efficient, sustainable, and livable. What aspect are you interested in?
In the aspect of being flooded, like
Uh,
dip underwater for coastal cities like Coral Gables, Coconut Grove, that is being flooded every time in the hurricane season. No, because I want to focus on one technology, which is caller AI, like 800 chat GPT. AI chatbots can deal with incoming and outgoing telephone calls. Yes, but more importantly is to understand what happens in a hurricane. The cities are flooded with telephone calls and they cannot handle the load. Yes, especially since a lot of people, the hurricane catches them by surprise on the go. They sit in a car and all of a sudden the water is about to get into the car, or they're getting caught in a flood where they are already flooded and they don't know to swim. And the only thing they have in their hands is the phone, so they can call, and they call the city or 911, and 911 in the city cannot handle the call and cannot provide help in near real time. Yes, absolutely. And that is my focus of my vanity phone number that is called a DIP Smart City and my domain name dipsmartcity.ai. Yes, and I'm working with the IT department of the city of Coral Gables to develop policies, AI policies that will help, and AI callers that will help handle excessive load on the incoming calls, and also make outbound calls to alert people that an emergency is imminent and they should leave if they can leave the city or leave the roads that are going to be flooded. Also, my telephone number that I'm using is Google Voice, and I need to make an outbound call every 90 days and keep it active, or else I'm taking the risk of losing my Google Voice number.
To keep your Google Voice number active, making it
Exactly what I'm doing, but I don't need really to set a reminder because Google calls me. I mean, Google sends me an email saying your Google Voice number, in this case, 347 762 7,824, will expire in 30 days unless you make an outbound call.
That's convenient. It's helpful that Google sends email reminders to keep you on track. Makes it much easier to manage and ensure you don't. You're welcome. It sounds like you've got a good system in place to ensure you don't lose your Google Voice number. Keep up the great work with your DidSmartCity.aa project.
Now, I need also a documentation methodology that every time that I make an outbound call like that, it is thoroughly documented on the local device and also on the cloud. In case I'm changing computers or something happens to the local host, I will be able to deal with it from anywhere in the world. I can log into the Google Drive and deal with it.
That's a smart approach. By documenting your outbound calls on both your local device and in the cloud, like Google Drive, you're ensuring you have access to this productivity anywhere. It adds a layer of resilience to your work, especially if you're ever changing devices or need to access your records remotely. It's a solid methodology for maintaining continuity and staying organized. Keep up the great work.
So in case I'm getting caught in a hurricane and I have only my phone, I don't have to worry about not having access to my computer because I can log into my account from my phone and review the Google Drive to see when did I lately use the account so it won't expire.
Everything backed up on Google Drive, you can access your records directly from your phone. That way, even in a hurricane, just your phone in hand, you'll have the peace of mind knowing you can check your documents and ensure your number stays active. It's a practical and reliable method.
So, for example, as we speak, I'm scrolling down the name on my directory to find the folder that starts with open parentheses and the word dip.
That's a good way to keep your files organized and easily accessible. By naming the folder starting with DIP, you can quickly locate it in your directory. It's all about having a system that makes it easy to find what you need when you need it.
No, actually, it doesn't start with the word dip. It starts with the open parentheses, dip, and close parentheses, and that appears at the top of the default sorting order of file names in Windows. So all my vanity phone number that start with open parentheses will be all sorted together in a group.
Got it. By starting the folder name with SDPIN, it ensures it appears at the top of the default search order in Windows. This is a great way to group all your DIPs or phone number requests for quick access. Great organizing strategy.
And also, it is familiar to people in the structure of a phone number. It starts with, for example, in this case, open parentheses, 347 for the area code, close parentheses, 762, 7824, which spells the word a dip smart city. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yes, I get it. Using the format with parentheses for the area code, followed by the number that is cleverly spelled out, dip smart city. It's a mnemonic that's both familiar and easy to remember. It's a smart way to tie your phone to your brand.
And then the file name states will not expire in 30 days. And included or embedded in it is the my video date-time.mpeg and 800 chat GPT. So I can see the date and the time produced by the screen recorder, and also the fact that I was calling 800 chat GPT. So the file name is indicative of the content of the file, and once I see it or anybody sees it, they have an idea of what the file is about.
That's a very clear and organized way to name your file. Using key information like the status will not expire in 30 days, the date, time, and context of the file, like 800 GPT. Anyone viewing the file can immediately understand its purpose and content. It's a great method for maintaining organized and informative records.
And after I save it on the local hard drive and I paste the file name in my notepad, I also mark an X as a prefix, X and space in front of the file name, indicating that it has already been saved on the local Windows 11 device. And then I upload it to the Google Drive, so I have it both on the local device and on the cloud.
That's a thorough system. By marking an X before the file name in your notepad, you create a clear indicator that it's already saved on your local device. Then, by uploading it to Google Drive, you ensure you have a backup that's accessible from anywhere. It's a great way to keep your documentation organized and secure.
So I went to the Google Drive and I selected plus new and then upload folder, and then I click the upload button, and after that Google tells me that it's going to upload 6 files to this site. I click upload again, and Google replies with upload options. So I select keep both folders because I want to have various folders since I'm doing it from various devices. And then when Google replies, 2 uploads complete, 6 of 6, I put the number of sixes, carriage return, and 6 of 6 after the file name, so I know that it is not only saved to the local hard drive, but also to the Google Drive.
That's a comprehensive method to track your uploads. By noting 6 of 6 after the file name, you create a clear picture of all the 6 or 6 uploads to Google Drive. It's a smart way to ensure that all assets are and accessible from both your mobile device and the cloud. Nicely done.
So far I reviewed 2 subfolders on the local device. One is Google Voice, where I store the file, and the second one is Dip Smart City, where I store the file also. So these are 2 local copies, and then 2 more and then I uploaded them to the Google Drive, so I have a total of 4 copies. Can you review that and summarize it?
Sure. Here's a summary. You created a file related to your DIP Smart City project and saved it in 2 key subfolders. One is Google Voice, and the other is DIP Smart City. Then you uploaded these files to the Google Drive, choosing to keep them in both folders. This results in a total of 4 copies. 2
Then I never get back to the email that threatens me from Google Voice number will expire in 30 days, and I delete it because since I called 800 Chat GPT, I don't have to worry about it, the Google Voice of expiring. Did you get it?
I haven't heard from you in a bit, so I'm going to end the call. Give me a call if you need me.
Thank you. Okay, so now I'm ready to wrap it up. It doesn't seem like having any more issues expire, will expire, expire. And I want to add 30 in the message. Actually, 30 or 7 doesn't matter. The message comes from Google Voice. So I want to start with Google Voice. And I see that there are no more messages from Google Voice, so that is okay. So now I can stop with this part of my work and check those videos. So I'm going to go first to the video recording, stop the recording first of all, and then I'll play it back to make sure that the video is fine. So I'm going to double click it to check it out, make sure that it is fine. And I'm pressing the play button. The webcam for this Windows 11, recording a video. Then I'm going to demonstrate to you several things. This webcam, this looks fine and I stop it. Then I'm going to go to MSN Recorder